Getting started on PayPal with Paga is super quick. Let's get it set up in just 2 minutes. First, if you don't have the Paga app, download it and sign up. Tap the drop down on the top right corner in your Paga app, click on PayPal, and then tap Connect PayPal. Now it's time to review your details. You'll see your name, phone number, and email already filled. Please input your date of birth so we confirm it's really you. Tap Next when you're done. If you're new to PayPal, you'd receive a 6-digit OTP on your registered phone number. Enter your OTP and create a secure password for your new PayPal account. Accept terms and conditions and tap Create Account. If you already have a PayPal account, no need to set up a new password. Simply enter your existing PayPal credentials and tap Login. Finally, just agree to the terms and conditions to complete the connection. And that's it. You're officially connected. You can now withdraw your funds from PayPal into your Paga Naira account.